Good distribution practices are a critical link in the pharmaceutical quality chain. It helps ensure that pharmaceutical products and the pallets or transport containers carrying them arrive totally unharmed and in perfect condition. It also supports key elements of product quality by providing proper environmental conditions during distribution, accurate and up-to-date documentation and record keeping, full traceability, consistent procedures, as well as timely and secure delivery. So where do good distribution practices fit in with the pharma supply chain? Good distribution practices govern the part of the supply chain that begins once products leave the manufacturing site and continues until they are delivered to the end user. This includes wholesalers and distributors, logistics providers, warehouses and temporary storage hubs, along with retailers and pharmacies. At every stage, GDP helps ensure that medicines arrive safely, securely, and exactly as intended, ready to protect the patients who depend on them.